In this video, I'll show you how to find your Bitcoin QR code on Crypto.com so people can send BTC to your account easily. First, open the Crypto.com app on your phone and log in. On the home screen, tap Accounts at the bottom, then choose Crypto Wallet. This is where all your coins are listed, including Bitcoin. Scroll down until you see Bitcoin, BTC, and tap on it. On the Bitcoin page, you'll see buttons like Buy, Sell, and Transfer. Tap Transfer, then select Deposit. If the app asks, make sure Crypto is selected, not Fiat. Now you're on the Bitcoin deposit screen. At the top, you'll see your BTC QR code. This square code can be scanned by another person or exchange app to get your Bitcoin address automatically. Underneath the QR, you'll also see your full BTC wallet address in text form. If someone is with you, they can simply scan the QR code from their sending app. If you want to share it remotely, you can screenshot the QR or tap copy to send the text address instead. Always confirm they're sending on the Bitcoin network, not another chain. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.